Hey friends, I'm Brooke from Start at Home, and today I'm going to share with you guys 6 easy steps to create the perfect outdoor living space that you'll enjoy all summer long. Ready? Let's go. Step number 1, build a gazebo. My husband and I bought this gazebo from Costco. It took us about 12 hours to install, and it is the perfect way to define our space. I also did a tutorial and review on how I put this together. I'll make sure and link it up here and in the comments. Step number 2, add furniture. It also helps to define the space. I added this sectional. I wanted a big sectional with lots of seating, but that we could also lay down on because the pool is right over there. I used 2 chairs on the other side to help define this area, and I love the texture that these bring in. The cushions are the same as the cushions on the sofa, so it helps to really bring them together. I got both of these pieces from article. I'll make sure and link them below. I did want nice, big, oversized, comfy, relaxing furniture in here. Step number 3, add pillows. I added these pillows to the sofa. I put 2 big ones in the back corner, coordinating colors, and then I added these fun lumbar pillows as well. And the best part about pillows is not only are you adding color, but you can also use them to tie other pieces together. I use the same lumbar pillows on the chairs, which tie the chairs and the couch together perfectly. Step number 4, add plants. I went with a fun lavender tree that I got from Costco for this pot. And then I really wanted to add some fun flowy greenery in here. As the summer progresses, these flowers will trail over, making it so pretty in here. I used the pots as well as a decorative element and brought in my colors with both of these. You don't always have to have everything real. I did use some faux plants in here as well. Check out this tree. And it is faux, so I don't have to water it or worry about it growing out of its pot. Tip number 5, add a rug. I wanted a rug with lots of fun colors. I coordinated my rug with my pillows to help bring the color up off the ground. My favorite part about this rug is it's a ruggable rug, and if it gets dirty, I can simply peel this up, stick it in the washer and dryer, bring it back out, and it's as good as new. Step number 6 is to add some lights. These starburst lights look awesome in the daytime and even better at night. They are solar, so every night they flip on and during the day they charge. They didn't put off a ton of light, so I added these string lights. I can't wait to enjoy this space all summer long.